Hi, my name is Ava. I am a senior. I am graduating in May 2025. I am majoring in computer information systems and I'm from New Jersey.
Hi, my name's Fred. I am a computer information systems major and I'm a senior graduating in May 2025 from Pittsburgh.
The class was initially pushed from my academic advisor. She suggested the class knows I have my business minor and that it'd be really valuable to my career. Although we are computers, sales is pretty much evolved around everything.
I think when people first hear about this class, they hear intro to sales and it's just specifically about selling a product or selling something, and it's more about the selling process that you can really apply to anything at all.
We talked about the biggest myths of sales, and the biggest myth is that if you're not in a sales position, you're never gonna have to sell. What we've learned is that was completely false. That kind of process goes into pretty much all decisions you make in the company with your coworkers, with clients, and you come across potential customers, you're gonna have to kind of sell what you're doing. In typical engineering lectures, it's note-taking, it's exams, it's very kind of like you keep to yourself, but this is a class that's so opposite, where you're having conversations every single class, you're getting to know your classmates, and kind of having more hands-on interactions in the classroom.
I think the whole atmosphere is totally different from the typical class that we take here. You need to be able to open up early and ask questions often, and you shouldn't be scared to do so, and I think that class has helped me apply that same process and thinking to just everyday life as well.
Because I feel like I've grown confident and have been able to communicate with a totally different type of audience than we're used to.
Yeah, as a programmer, you have to sell your ideas a lot to people you work with and bosses. You can apply those same processes to ideas. It doesn't have to just be products.
So I think sales really is applicable to pretty much everything you're going to do. And that's why this class has kind of changed my perspective on engineering and computing as a whole.